Have you ever wondered how you can fix a flawed photo or expand an image that's too tightly cropped without cutting anything off? The two coolest superpowers of AI image editing are inpainting and outpainting, and both are radically changing how we approach visual content. Let's start with inpainting, which is essentially a digital correction fluid, or an AI-powered smart eraser. Imagine you have a brilliant photo, but an unwanted person walked into the background, an ugly trash can was left in the frame, or you simply want to change the color of your clothes. With inpainting, you just select the area you want to replace or delete and tell the AI what to put in its place. The model analyzes the surrounding pixels, lighting, textures, and style, then seamlessly draws the new detail as if it had always been there. Outpainting, on the other hand, is all about breaking through the image's boundaries, digital unframing, if you will. You've almost certainly run into a situation where you found a perfect portrait photo, but you needed a horizontal cover image, or the composition was just too tight. With outpainting, the AI looks at the edges of your existing image, figures out what would be outside the crop, and expands the canvas in any direction. Whether it's continuing a landscape, adding the missing walls of a room, or widening the entire background, the AI paints in the missing parts completely naturally. So, where does this technology stand today? Interestingly, while we used to need dedicated models specifically trained for this purpose, like Flux.1-Fill, the latest generation of AI image models and image edit architectures now handle this natively right out of the box. Understanding the full context and lighting of an image directly from text prompts, these newer systems swap or expand anything in your photos with pixel-perfect precision. Why are these useful in practice? In social media content creation and video editing, they are invaluable. From a single good photo, you can generate a 16:9 YouTube thumbnail or a 9:16 TikTok/Reels background in seconds, eliminate distracting elements from product shots, or even place your characters in a whole new environment, all without having to regenerate the entire image from scratch. The bottom line, inpainting is the precise replacement and correction of what's inside the image, while outpainting is the intelligent expansion of the image's existing boundaries. If you enjoyed this explanation, click the link, head over to the Digital Actors AI channel, and subscribe for the latest local AI tips and visual wonders.